Alright guys, been a minute once again, but we have a show coming up here, and it's our first one with Mr. Broccoli Allen Bates, so we're gonna do some practicing. It's in like 2 days, and yeah, we have to play 4 hours of music and we know about 30 minutes, so we gotta get it put together. And there's tickets, yes. Joe just got some new picks after 2 years, and he got them from sweetwater.com. We're checking you out. And they sent him some sweets with it. Get it, Sweetwater? Also, Sweetwater, if you want to sponsor our vlog, we got you. Sneezing, by the way.
Brock, your first show is coming up Saturday, this Saturday. How are you feeling with Birds of Squalor?
I'm feeling stoked.
Are you ready, Kakawww?
To call on stage together. Do you guys do that in like a rhythmic sync?
Yes.
On the 2 and 4?
Wait, so we just turn into like a really ludicrous K-pop band?
Well, I guess I'm feeling excellent, and I'm trying not to be too drunk currently, but we'll be too drunk that night. It'll all work out.
He also changed his name to Federico.
I did. I run the show.
Yeah. So speaking of the Sweetwater deal, I heard they called you.
Oh, they did.
So what happened with that whenever you answered the phone?
He wanted to know how I heard of him, how I heard of Sweetwater, why I ordered picks from them.
Which Sweetwater's a big thing in the music industry.
They're actually really good. I've been ordering shit from them for many a year.
The guy called me and asked why I ordered from Sweetwater. I didn't even know I ordered anything from Sweetwater. I got an email the next day, or 2 days later, saying that
you were drunk and got picks.
That I have picks on the way. I was like, oh shit, oh that's cool. I needed picks. And then the dude calls me the day after I got the email, and yeah, he was wondering why or who I heard about Sweetwater from, and I was like, dude, I don't know. I was drunk and I just started ordering shit.
Guitar picks.
I guess I don't fucking know. He's like,
The most generic thing
ever. It's a good thing you ordered picks and not like a $3,000 bass amp or something. It's like, yeah, there are worse things to order whenever you're drunk.
Nate's breaking down. We need help carrying things up.
Yeah, whoever.
Alright guys, we are officially on Show Day 2022. Our first time playing at Red Flag with not only Mr. Brock, but Jamie, as a band really, because it's brand new to us. So yeah, Brock's first show is today. Jamie's first show is today. Thomas is filling in on bass. He's a little rough around the edges, but he'll get it. So we're gonna go head out from Red Flag here in a few after some Schusters. We got the van loaded up. It looks all sexy, and we're gonna crush it. And don't forget Miss Brittany's here, super fan extraordinaire. Oh yeah, I'm Batman. We are here at Red Flag finally getting set up for the first act. We're opening up. We're gonna literally set the stage. Pretty cool place. It's big. What do you think, Jimmy?
It's really big.
That's what she said.
Thought it was a lot bigger.
Oh, I've turned into yet another light bulb. I'm here set up at the merch booth at the show. Stage looks great. Band's ready to go. Everybody's excited. Brock's excited. Playing with the Down Bads at my Final Pollution and At My Worst. So it's going to be a good show.
Mission accomplished! Yeah! Oh yeah! Sort of an Eason. Sir, can anybody come to the spot?
Well, they fired.